and welcome back to my channel. So Walgreens is kind of a slow week, which is totally fine. It ended up becoming a moneymaker for me. There is some good freebies that you guys can get. And then I also did a digital video with some little bit more deals on that. I tried to do the digital videos because a lot of you guys enjoy it. Coupons kind of been sucking lately, and I have been mostly relying on digital coupons anyways. So there is that, and then I just feel like I don't need everything that I show you guys for videos, and certain things I don't. It just depends on the deal or the product, but definitely check that out. I usually post that shortly right after this. So there is some deals that I'm going to share with you. The number one deal that you guys definitely want to do, now you need to check your ad to see if this deal, in the past this has been a very regional deal. Last week I did Taco Bell, but a lot of you guys said that you had this deal this time. So you definitely want to try this out. Funny thing is, like last week I was having problems with the two managers were working. It's not the normal one that I deal with. I always give them a Walgreens gift card, and they're like, no, you gotta use this specific gift card. And I'm like, okay, whatever, I'm not gonna argue with you. And I was telling the manager that I deal with every single Sunday. She's like, oh yeah. She's like, yeah, you probably know the system more than they do. And I'm like, oh yeah, I do. But anyways, the Netflix deal, there's also a couple other deals, but I always do this deal because it ends up being a better deal, and you guys can use this for yourself. So what you do is you want to buy 2 Netflix gift cards. There's 3 other options that you can do, but I always do the Netflix. You guys can do a minimum of $15. So you guys want to buy 2 $15 Netflix gift cards. You'll pay 30 bucks, okay? 30. You'll pay $30. But when you buy 2 of them, you'll get a $10 Walgreens gift card absolutely free. So you guys will pay 30 bucks, but you get $40 worth of credit, gift cards, whatever. So a lot of you guys ask how you do the Netflix. Well, what you do is you want to go to your Netflix account, and there's a spot where you guys can actually add credit to your account. So basically you guys can do this. I just bought 4 months of Netflix for me, so this is a pretty good deal. So you just basically just add it to your account and it credits it. Sometimes I can only do 2 at a time, and then I'll wait like a couple days and then I'll do 2 more, or I'll wait like a month. But definitely do this deal. So I did this deal twice because I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But I have a lot of Walgreens gift cards that I have yet to use. I don't know why I keep stacking them up. So there is a deal between Revlon and Almay. Now I tried to grab the 2 cheapest items. It depends on what you guys want. A lot of people like this eyeshadow. I think this eyeshadow is really pretty. And this is a intense liquid liner. Now these were $7.99 at my store. You can mix and match if you want, and you can also pay with points for these deals. So since both of these are $7.99, they are currently 30% off, so they come out to be just $5.59. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons for the Almay or $3 off coupons for the Revlon. Like I said, you can mix and match however you guys want to do this deal, go for it. But you would pay $5.18 for 2 of them. And then you guys would get a $5 register reward. Now, if you want to do this deal with Almay and Revlon, you have to do separate transactions because only one register reward will print out. And do not use this register reward to pay for the next transaction. Don't do that. Don't do that. So I ended up doing the 2 different transactions, and I ended up getting 2 different or $5 register rewards for both of these. So go for that if you guys want to do that. I ended up getting some Cocoa Pebbles. I've been really loving cereal lately. Not as hardcore as when I was pregnant, but these were just $1.99. I usually kind of get a couple of them, so I ended up getting 2 boxes of the Cocoa Pebbles because I'm gonna probably have a box of cereal when I get home. So I absolutely love this. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. These were $3.99. It's been a while since I've seen these in stock because I got these last summer also. So these were $3.99. They are currently on sale for buy one, you get one 50% off. You guys would want to use a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, or there was a coupon that we got in our inserts today for 5 off of 2. So the final price for these just come out to be just 98 cents. 98 cents is a pretty good deal. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and do that. And I didn't even realize since I don't even know my receipt went. Okay, I'll look for it later. But yeah, definitely do that if you want to go ahead and do that deal. Now the Colgate toothpaste, these were $3.99. No, $2.99. There's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $1.98, but then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be absolutely free, and you guys can pay with points. Everything that I did, you can pay with points. That's how I usually like to shop, is when you can pay with points. So I got that. Then I ended up getting this deal. This is actually the last deal that I got, you guys. Like, it's really bad. It's really bad. I was going to show you guys, like, the Scott paper towel deal, but there was none in my store. Last week there was a ton, but this week there was no Scott's paper towels or Scott's toilet paper, but they had everything else completely filled to the brim, so I don't know what happened. So there is 2 different Crest deals going on. There's one where it's like, what, $3.99, and then you get a register reward where it comes out to be $1.97. I did do that breakdown in the digital deal, but I'm not doing that deal. I did this deal. So these were $3.79. Again, you guys want to use that 5 off of 3, so you can either do one deal or the other. It depends on what you want to do. But I ended up using the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys want to buy 4 of them, and you would pay $10.16 for all 4 of these. But then you'll get 5,000 points for every 2 that you buy. So you guys will actually get 10,000 points back. Well, this comes out to be just 16 cents or just 4 cents a piece. So had to do that deal, you guys. So definitely try to do this deal. I always try to scan the products while I'm at the store to see what coupon would attach to it. Sometimes there's no coupon that pops up, and then I'm afraid that sometimes that digital does not pop up. But yeah, and then I was gonna do the combos because there was gonna be a deal where they come out to be $1 a piece, but the digital coupon just did not pop up. So yeah, my total came to $24.42. I ended up getting $10 back of register rewards for the 2 Almay and Revlon deals. I ended up getting $19 back in points. I ended up needing 70 cents more to hit beauty, and then I got 10,000 points for the 2 Crest deals, and then it was also 10 times everyday points, so I got that. So 19 bucks back. My grand total came to $4.58 moneymaker. I got everything absolutely free, so I was pretty excited about that. But yeah, if you guys need to take a break on stuff, definitely go for it. There's not a lot of great deals, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. Hopefully next week, usually next week's gonna be a bang. Is next week my birthday week already? I think next week's my birthday week, so we're gonna definitely go out with a bang. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys all later, and bye-bye.